Welcome to Chart Traders. Today we are going to see a algo trading setup that is based on Stochastic Momentum Index and VWAP. So let's get started. I had given a name that is STS underscore VWAP. Indicator that I am going to use that is SMI and VWAP, that is a Stochastic Momentum Index, and VWAP chart type candlestick, time frame 5, and it is a buy strategy. So when to buy? So when our stochastic momentum index, that is a percentile K, crosses above your percentile D, okay, and closes higher than VWAP. So this is your main condition, or you can say trigger condition, that is a stochastic momentum crossover, and this is the supporting condition. So when this happen, it is also going to check for the closes higher than VWAP. If yes, then going to buy. What is the sell strategy? Simply close crosses above the ATR trailing stop loss, and stop loss is 0.2 and percentile is 1%. So I had given a 0.2 stop loss. Okay, strict stop loss 0.2 percentile. You can follow us on our Twitter, and if you have any query, you can just mail us. My email ID is chart.traders88@gmail.com. If you want to do a backtest any setup that you have, okay, kindly send us on this email ID. We will backtest on a 3 months and we will send you the result. Okay, so normally the response time is 1 week. Okay, if you don't want to use streak, then we will do a backtest on behalf of you. So according to the strategy, okay, where we want to buy when this crossover happen. Okay, so this crossover happen, this crossover happen, this crossover happen. Okay, black line crosses red line above, then we are going to buy. But at the same time we are also going to check the price is above the VWAP close price. If yes, then and then going to buy. So here close point is above the VWAP, so buy. Here again buy, but here stop loss triggered, here profit. Okay, at this point also crossover, but the price is below, so no trading. We can see further, here also crossover happen, but low price is below the VWAP. Here also crossover happen, but price is below the VWAP, so no buying price. Okay, here also price is below the VWAP, so no crossover happen, but we are not going to buy. We are going to buy only when crossover happen and price is above the VWAP. Okay, so that is our simple buying opportunity. Now what about exit point? Okay, so for that what we have to add? A trailing stop loss. So I am going to add ATR trailing stop loss, and here just square wave. Okay, so this is our, whenever trigger happen, here crossover happen, go up. Now what is our stop loss? This line. Okay, when it touch, no touch, again go up to this point. Okay, so you can set this or 0.5, it's up to you, but strict maximum loss, that is a 0.5 percentile. Okay, so we are going to do backtest this strategy. Now in order to do a backtest of our trading system, I have opened my streak account. If you don't know what is streak, just watch out my video introduction to streak. The link is given below in the description box. Now according to our setup, I am going to apply on a Nifty future 5-minute chart. I want to buy one lot. What is our condition? Stochastic momentum crosses above your percentile D stochastic momentum, that is a percentile K crosses above your percentile D. So whenever you are going to click here, select percentile K, then here percentile D. Okay, and closes is higher than your VWAP 0. Now crosses above means in last candle the stochastic momentum percentile K is less than percentile D, and in a current candle it is crosses. Okay, so once your candle is closed, it is going to generate a signal when the close is higher than this VWAP. What is our exit condition? 0.2 percentile, 1 percentile, that is a stop loss, and the another exit condition is closes crosses above your trailing stop loss. It is just for your trailing stop loss. If you are going to set 3 percentile, then you have to apply trailing stop loss. That's why when a market is volatile, we want to take more profit, then you can give a stop target 3 percentile, and you can decide this ATR trailing stop loss. Okay, I want to apply candlestick pattern and 9 to 11:30 p.m. Just save and backtest. So it is generating around 91 signals. Out of 91, 37 win, 54 loss. Okay, and the profit is around 1,20,000. And you can see also that once you remove the brokerage, the profit is around 1,06,000. And we can see once in a while our it contains profit around minus 5,000 also in account. Even you can see here the transaction history. EN means entry point, SL means stop loss, okay, TP means target, and EX means exit. That is a EX means your exit based on your exit condition, that is a trailing stop loss. Okay, so you can see list of signals generated over a period. Now if you want to make a live, okay, once your algorithm give a good performance, you can make it live. But before that, just check the parameters. So maximum gain is 7,500 around. Maximum loss is minus 1.10, because we have strictly keep 0.2 percentile stop loss. Okay, so stop loss is very less and the target is huge, that is a 1 percentile. If you want to make live, just select here and deploy. So it is going to ask strategy live for how many days, that is a 1 week. I want to cycles means per day number of trades, so maximum we can take 5 trade, regular, and here we can select MIS. CNC normal means positionally, MIS means automatically intraday, square of at a 325. And here also we can see bracket order and regular order, but I am going to select regular order. Now paper trade means like your virtual trading. Whenever algorithm generate buy and sell signal, it is not going to put order in your trading account. It is going to maintain log of these signals, and you can see the buy and selling time and the value at which price the nifty was brought and at which price the sell order execute. So it is like a virtual trading. I am going to make take live. Okay, so whenever you are going to click on take live, here we can see in a live strategy we have a one live strategy in paper trading. If you are going to click on paper trading, then it will be in a paper trading. So now in live strategy, you can see whenever this algorithm generate a buy signal, we can get a notification here in a live strategy. Okay, and you have to click here on a buy or on a sell according to your algorithm logic. So it generates a signal, but you have to manually click on a buy or on a sell. Okay, that is the most important point. Otherwise all stuffs are automatically based on condition, it will generate buy and sell signals. Remaining stuffs only you have to do mechanical task in this using stick, that you have to put buy order and sell signal manually. Now we can analyze our stick, the performance of our, we can see on a, okay, we have already applied live, so we cannot modify. So just before that, stop it, go to my strategy, and again I am going to run it. Now we are going to see some transaction details or the history on a chart. So we will start with last transaction. Okay, so on a 22nd May around 310, that is entry point. We are just ignoring it. We will see one target achieved, that is on 20 May. So 20 May around 15, sorry, around 145. So 20 May around 145. So at this point, 145. Okay, so at this point, so close is above this candle, we above this VWAP, and stochastic also crossing. So buy at around 8962. We can see here on a 21st May, on a 20 May around 145, buy is around 8961. So 8961, this is your entry point at this point. Okay, and exit is when stochastic is crossing each other's. Okay, or we can keep target is 1% also, whichever earlier is achieved, that is our exit point. We can see one more trade. Okay, stop loss on a 21st May around 12:55. So 21st May around 12:45. So at this point close is higher than VWAP and crossing occurs. Okay, so at this point we are going to buy. Okay, 21st May. Buy is 12:55 and 9120. 12:55. So at this point 9120 around at this point, and we can see we have a good movement, but stop loss achieved because not one percentile achieved. Okay, we can see here that is from 9120 to 9164. Okay, so it is generating signals, but if you according to risk management you can do exit also. Okay, but it is a pure algo trading, so we have to follow our rules. Okay, so it is giving a good profit. So accuracy we can see around for 45% or 60%. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.